Hello and welcome to the Hobby Maker Hub. My name is Lisa, and for this project we're making a lovely wedding gift for the happy couple. So for this project I'm going to be using a 12 by 12 box frame. I like using the 12 by 12 box frames because I don't have to cut the designer paper down. So the first thing you want to do is pick your background. Now the wedding that I made this for, their theme was green, so I have of course picked a paper that will match this. And this is the paper that I've picked. So I'm going to put that to one side for a moment, because what's going to go in the middle of there is a heart. So here I have a piece of 12 by 12 cotton cardstock, and I am drawing round this heart shape, because this here is the shape that I would like to use for the middle of my project. So after drawing round the two hearts, the outer heart and the inner heart, I'm left with this template. I am then going to use a small heart-shaped die cut to cut out multiple hearts from this metallic cream paper. So I'm going to use this to fold it in half. And we want to just cut off the edge. Putting a little bit of glue down the centre of the heart. Holding it in place so it sticks. And then we have this. Just keeping the glue around the outside, because you don't want any glue bubbles in the middle, because I've just used printer paper to print off this personalised sentiment. Then once you've put that together, you can bring back your backing paper. And all I did was I trimmed around that cream piece to give you a border so you could see the green around the outside. And I'm just going to put these into the four corners. It's behind a glass frame, so it's not really going to go anywhere. And we're going to centre that as best we can. Get it stuck down, and then we're going to mount it in the frame, lower the tabs, and you have a wonderful little keepsake to give to the happy couple.